In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your web browser to its default settings in Chrome. If Chrome has been acting strangely, maybe pages are not loading correctly, your home page has changed, or unwanted extensions and settings are getting in the way, resetting the browser can be a simple way to fix those issues. This brings Chrome's settings back to their original defaults without requiring a full reinstall, and it can help restore normal performance and behavior. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded before moving on, so all menu options are available and easy to access. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access settings and other browser tools. If you do not immediately see the option you need, do not worry, because everything we need is inside the settings area. From that menu, click Settings. This will open the main settings page for Chrome, where you can manage everything from privacy options to appearance and startup behavior. Depending on your version of Chrome, the layout may look slightly different, but the reset option is still usually easy to find. Next, click Reset Settings. In some versions of Chrome, this may appear in the left-hand sidebar, while in others you may need to scroll down a little to find it. This section is specifically designed for restoring Chrome when something is not working the way it should. After that, click the option to restore settings to their original defaults. Chrome will usually show a confirmation window explaining what the reset will change. For example, it may reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. And it may also disable extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. It is a good idea to quickly read this message so you know what to expect. Finally, click Reset to confirm. Chrome will then apply the changes and return those settings to their default state. This may take a few moments depending on your browser setup. Once the reset is complete, you can continue using Chrome and check whether the issue has been resolved. If you had a specific problem before, such as unwanted redirects or changed settings, this is a good time to test the browser and see if everything is working normally again. And that's how to reset your web browser to its default settings in Chrome.